So right now you have learned the power of using PLR. How can we actually find those content providers so that we can use those content as our own? The first place you can go to is marketplace, right? So there are websites like Fiverr, like Easy, like eBay, right? So there are many PR seller out there. So all you need to do is use search PLR on the search bar, then you can find a lot of them, right? So sometimes the quality of PR on their sites are not so good. So, but you really want to spend some time to find the gold from the dirt, right? So another place you can go is Google, right? So Google is the world's biggest search engine. So all you need to do is you go to Google and you type in a niche name plus POR, then you click on search, then you can find a lot of them, right? So for example, if you want to find a POR for how to lose weight, then you can type in how to lose weight POR, then you click on search, then you can find a lot of them, right? Another place you can go is you can try to find private POR sellers, right? So those people, they are not sell their POR publicly, right? So sometimes their work is to help others people create their own products, right? So you can go to maybe Warrior Forum and you can type in down for you products, and there are some seller they will create a product for you. Another one is independent content creators, right? So if you go to Udemy, you know there's a lot of content creator there. You can actually private message them and negotiate a deal with them, right? So you can say, hey, I really like your course. Can I just buy the resale right of your course, right? So sometimes they will agree. So you want to negotiate to see if you can make a deal so that you can sell your content as your own. So there are 4 ways you can do to create your content using PLR. And I would say that the best content you can get will be either from independent content creator. They create a content their own, you try to negotiate a right to sell that, or you can find someone to create the content for you, right? But if you're trying to find a marketplace or on Google, you want to find the gold from the dirt, because sometimes the quality of those PR may not be great. So you really want to find some good one from the bad one. So that's the 4 different ways you can do to find PR content. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you.